What's up guys, Jack, Black Bear Crypto. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update on what's going on with me for the last couple of days. So we were trying to finish up this Ryzen 9 5950X build with the RTX 3070 there, and then we got our two 16 gigabyte sticks of DDR4 RAM, 3600 megahertz. So this is going to be an awesome build, but we were having some trouble with the cooler here, and the reason is that we didn't have the proper mounting mechanism, the bracket that we need to actually mount the cooler head here onto the CPU on the motherboard. So we're waiting for that bracket to come in, and once we do, we'll be able to finish this build and get that content up. As for our stake pool, as you can see on our block producer here, we do have 4 incoming and 4 outgoing connections. It's fully synced to the blockchain. We have a very low amount of missed slot leader checks. And what I attribute that to is the fact that all 4 of our relays are online, and we also have that relay over in Germany to capitalize on the lower latency for any transaction volume that is happening over in that area. We've also checked our pool on pool.vet. The stake pool has passed all the tests, so our pool is very, very healthy. We have our 3 local relay nodes here. Then we have the 1 German one in the cloud, and then our block producer down there. Our GPU mining rig, it's offline right now. We're having trouble getting all 3 GPUs up and running at the same time. So I ended up just turning it offline because it's really just marginally profitable right now. It's only barely worth it to mine with the Ravencoin halving going on, as well as the increased electric rates in the state of Maine. If you guys didn't catch my previous video, the rate of electricity went from 16 cents a kilowatt hour to over 30 cents a kilowatt hour in 2022 for all residents of the state of Maine. So that's kind of a bummer from the GPU mining front, but we still got our Cardano stake pool. These things barely pull any electricity. We have them completely carbon offset. We plant a tree for every single block that we produce because it's really important to us, as well as the Cardano Foundation, to keep the Cardano blockchain as healthy and as carbon neutral as it can possibly be. So with that being said, I think that's enough for today. I really appreciate you guys all watching this content. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you all very, very soon. Bye-bye. If you enjoy my videos, please consider checking out our website at mainblockchain.com. My company offers investment vehicles like our Cardano stake pool and DeFi earn programs, which, depending on your personal risk tolerance, offer between 1 to 20% APY. Learn more by clicking the link in the description box below.